sir. Good morning, my people. Hey, back out here with another one. Look who I got with me today, y'all. Yeah, I got my boy with me, boy. Listen, man, we about to go out here, meet up with one of my people that want to go fishing. You know, whenever we get to the spot, y'all know we gonna drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Let's pick up Rubber, man. My boy said he wanted to go fishing. Let's go get
But hold on. I gotta show you something. Look, there's a ship right there.
You see him?
Yep, it's right there.
Oh, okay. All right, my boy. Y'all see him over there. He walking towards us. I'm about to go ahead and go pick him up. Absolutely. Not you, Alex. You sit right here, Alex. He's gonna sit right here. You can sit on this, bro. Yeah, man, I got my dog out here, man. Y'all see him, boy, the float.
Hey, D, baby, I've been waiting.
Lord, listen.
I've been waiting.
Let's go, man. We about to go get bro hooked up, man. Y'all already know, man.
We're so close, buddy.
Let's go, my people. Oh, boy. You want to hit that boy, but not hard. You just want to put a little pressure on.
That good old meat right there.
Good old meat right there.
What would I do? Yep, just like that.
Like that?
Break it. Try to break the shell. That. He's out. He's released.
You release?
Yep, now he's released. He's out.
That's what we want right here, my folks. Y'all see it now.
And here's the snail. You put the shrimp on.
What you say?
This is how you put the shrimp on, like this. So, gotta look very carefully. So don't poke yourself. So do that. You gotta kind of be careful because sometimes it goes through the sides.
Okay.
After that,
You gotta put it all the way through now.
yeah, you gotta put it all the way through.
Yep, there you go.
Yep.
All right.
That's how you do it, man.
All right.
Boys and girls and grown-ups.
Now grab your pole and come on.
Grab my pole. And I catch a bunch of whitings too.
Let's catch one.
I can show you when I caught one. Okay, my people, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, man. My boy said he gonna catch him on whiting real quick. You all the way on the bottom, right?
Yep, I think now. I think I'm on the bottom right now. Yay! I get so much pressure.
Yeah, put the tip of your pole down.
And hold on. Tomorrow we're going to go somewhere fun, and it's Texas. We're going to stay at one hotel for 1 day. You get any bites? After another hotel for 4 days. Oh, what's that one? That one. There should be one close by. There should be one close by. I think I'm on catch one. 3, 2, 1. It should be here. It should be here.
There you go.
Oh,
Lift up. Yes, sir.
Here's a whiting. Woo!
My boy did that, boy. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. We're about to get this thing off and get over release on that boy. You heard? Let's go. Because it's a whiting fish, so now you got to show them how to grab a whiting fish.
Okay, so this is how you grab a whiting fish. You got to be very careful. Don't let it slip out your hand.
Then you grab it by the head, or where you grab it at?
Grab it by the head. Pick it up like a man.
Like a man.
After that, a big man or a big girl.
Yeah.
After that,
release. Yes, sir. Good job, my boy.
My victory dance.
Yeah, reel this one in.
Victory dance.
Reel this one in. There's something on there. Yeah, reel it in.
Oh, it's a fish.
Turn this way. Yeah, there you go. Keep reeling. It might be a catfish or something.
Okay. Oh, sure.
Grabbing this pole right here too. Okay, that's my mouth. Keep reeling. I keep telling you that.
Oh yeah, definitely catfish.
All right, now turn this way. All right, let's get this boy up off here.
It's hard to reel in. This
Big boy catfish, man. I hate them, man, but let's go ahead and get this catfish off here, man. Let's go.
guys,
all right, so tell them now. Show them what doesn't hurt them on the catfish.
These don't hurt you.
What though?
These tentacles don't hurt you.
The whiskers, huh?
Yeah, the whiskers don't hurt you.
So what hurts you on the catfish?
But this, that hurts you.
How many does it have?
It got 1, 2,
3.
3.
Yep, that's it. That's all. Those
It got 3.
3 of them. So you gotta be careful when you get these, right?
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Just hold it like Dad's holding it.
Hold it like Dad's holding it. It's gonna get released on that boy. You ready?
Yep. Let's go. Let's go.
Release.
Whee!
Yeah, boy. Good job, my boy.
And it's kind of like goodbye.
Oh, hey, y'all see bro over there hooked up, boy. That boy done got hooked up again, y'all. Check him out. Ooh. And we just moved from them. Work that boy. Yeah, that boy digging. I got him on well, I'm recording y'all. Y'all in front of the camera. All I see is cheeks in the camera. Sorry. Nah, you good. You gonna get him out? Yeah. Hey, Alex, come here. Hey, broke you off again?
Yeah, too close to that pot.
Yeah, so y'all see it, man. Man, y'all see, bro, man. Hey, bro, tried to do that, though, man. Listen, I'll hit y'all up in a second, my people. Let's go. Man, yeah, so work that boy. Oh, he got him. He got him up to the top, y'all. It's over for him. It's over for him, bro. Yeah, man, we out here just chilling, man. Look at this shit. Hey, what you doing? One-man band over there, y'all. That boy look pretty. Yes, sir. Got that boy whooped.
There you go, baby.
Y'all see him now. Bro.
There you go, baby.
Miko.
Yes, sir.
I see you now. Hey, Miko. What you gonna do? I'm telling you. I'm telling you, boy, listen. I don't know what's going on today. It's gonna happen sooner or later, but
yes,
hey, let's go, man.
I'm gonna get with you.
I got my boys out here, man. Oh, boy, you heard him? Hey, my boy said if I don't catch one, he gonna make sure I eat. You feel me? That's how we do it out here, man. But hey, let me show you what he got. You gonna hold him up?
Hold both of them up.
What's up? You better be careful, boy. All right.
Hey, throw that other one in the boat.
But yeah, man, hey, y'all know what the fish look like, man. I'll hit y'all up in a second, my people. Let's go.
What the heck? What the heck? Woo!
Yes, sir. Y'all see that boy. What you call him on 20 pound? Yeah. What he on that 20 pound test? Huh? What you got in there? All that, hey, you heard him? All he messed with is the 20, you feel me? But look though, man, we about to get up out here, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all watching. We ain't get bro hooked up, man. We tried.
Next time,
Next time, you feel me?
Yes,
But look though, man, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, show love. Be nice to people and what we tell them. Stop calling my phone, I'm fishing. Let's go.
And cooking. Let's
And
go.
cooking. Let's go.